I'm here with a few of my YouTubing pals. Everybody wave. Hey. At Bloqs in North London. Bloqs with a Q is a fabulous makerspace in Enfield, combining private spaces for fabrication and construction alongside communal access to shared industrial grade machinery, and not just for woodworking but spraying and finishing, metal fabrication and precision engineering as well. So whatever materials you're working in, if you're looking for a workspace and you're within striking distance of North London, Bloqs should be on your radar. More details at buildingbloqs.com, link in the description. I'm just going to do the quick giveaway for the Mirka Sanders, and to ensure absolute honesty, I'm going to have somebody else do it for me. Who's going to do the first one? Oop.
The first one? Is there more than one?
There's more than one. There's always more than one giveaway. Keith, you up for it?
How many is there?
2.
Can we do one each?
Yep. Absolutely. Jacob, yeah? You going to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Right, who's doing first?
You go first.
Go on. Take your seat. So we've got all the numbers and all the names in a little spreadsheet on the form. I think there are 556 of them. So all you've got to do is click to spin.
Ready.
I'll have to put some doo-doo.
And the winner is.
And the winner, this is the Mirka Diros.
Did you enter?
Chris Cordillo 463. There you go.
Chris.
Congratulations, Chris. So if you just remove him from the list, because you only get one bite at this,
There you go.
and then shall we shuffle the entries? There we go, Keith. Do you want to do the next one?
Yeah, sure.
You can take the hot seat.
Do I click the middle?
Click in the middle.
Good luck, everyone.
560 something.
Damn, that's mad.
Yeah.
70.
That's more patrons than I've got.
And the winner of the Mirka Dios is Gus Dewar. Well done, Gus. Congratulations to both guys. I'll be in touch over the weekend. Yeah, and thanks everyone for taking part. Thanks to Bloqs for hosting us this weekend. We might do a little bit of a walk around later on. We'll pop that on the channel as well. But that's it for this one. I'll be in touch. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you again soon.